everyone, welcome to Munchin with Trace. Today we'll be going to Guzman Y Gomez or Guzman Y Gomez. I don't really know, but well, they serve awesome Mexican food. Prior to this footage, my boyfriend and I actually shared a box of nachos, and I'm really sad that I lost the footage, so I can't show it to you guys. Okay, yay! So here, right, I'm digging into my mahi quesadillas. My boyfriend's burrito just came now because we sent it back once. The first one seemed to be a bit raw. Yep, that's a close-up view of my mahi quesadilla. The mahi quesadillas was a bit plain as well. And I like to jazz up the flavor by adding some jalapenos. So yum! They have a range of sauces from like very spicy to not so spicy, so you can choose up to your preference. And in fact, I took all three. So this is the medium level spicy sauce, and it's actually not too bad. Like, it's quite a pleasant mouthful. My boyfriend just rejected me. Oh wells. Keep looking at the burrito, it seems to be calling out to me. Smell good. I'm impressed at the service and like how they acceded to our request to cook the dough more. So now I'm moving on to the pulled pork quesadillas. I love the generous portion of pulled pork. However, there's only half because I shared with my boyfriend. Yeah, so by zooming in to my filling, which I'm pulling out with a fork, it's pretty good. Yeah, the flavor is really good. Yes, now for the best part, where there's 20% filling wrapped with 80% filling. Okay, so let's start with the burrito. Oh, it's pretty good. I got the slow roasted beef flavor, but I kind of prefer my boyfriend's steak burrito more because the beef chunks are much juicier. He gives me a thumbs up. It is true that I eat more than most of my guy friends. Quite embarrassing. So now I'm pouring some medium spice sauce on the burrito. Do take note of what my boyfriend did just there. Something's about to happen. Wait for it. But here I am, oblivious to everything. I'm just eating my food. Boom! The spiciness hits. So he decided to go to the washroom to cool down, and I just happily continued with the food. Yeah, so I just keep eating my burrito. A bit self-conscious that filming from camera, but that's okay. And my boyfriend was taking a real long while, so I got a bit worried. Oh well, continue eating. and crispies. That's how I eat my burrito, in circles. Because I like to eat things in straight lines. Yay, he's back!
The difference between this and Japanese spicy is like Japanese spicy the sauce is spread out through your body, so it's quite even out. So like your whole body sort of gets used to it. This one is like one spot, the spot that you bite right, bite that. It's like the right side of the mouth. The left side of the mouth is fine. The right side, like one spot. That's all I'm about it.
And then the guru talking about spice. Now the insides of my burritos is like
accident, instinct. You should, if you can eat right, you can eat the ramen level 5, or Ichibanya level 5, monster curry level 10,000 or whatever, it is spicier.
watching to make sure it doesn't make the same mistake. Okay, confession time. I'm actually really addicted to Coke Zero, and on this particular day I was craving so much that I just bought a 1.5 liter bottle.
Like if you told me you're an alien, I wouldn't believe you. Someone got all these funny things you think you see before. Maybe it's you see in your planet Mars or what.
Doesn't this look like a story? It does, right?
Where?
I can't remember where I saw it.
You're an alien planet lah. Then you come to Earth, you lose your memories. Like bits and pieces here and there. Sorry? It's winning for now. Eventually I'll conquer it.
And so I continue eating my burrito while he sits there and watches me, which is a typical routine of most of our days.
I think the quesadillas was overkill. Like if I didn't order the quesadillas, I would probably feel fine. Oh, yeah, because I eat faster than you. I'll give you the rest of this burrito then. That's why I feel like my stomach is having a tornado.
Woohoo! Still going strong! Yay me! Okay, more Coke Zero. And now I'm totally done with my conspiracy. Woohoo! Okay, but round 2 begins. The challenge of finishing my boyfriend's burrito is accepted. I'm actually feeling quite full. YOLO, let's go for it, man. So now I start with the beef steak first because that's the part I like best. Then I move on to the rice and the beans and everything else. So I hollow out the burrito one by one. I don't think I'll eat the wrap because I'm actually really quite full after eating a box of nachos, my own burrito and now his.
Today, like my student asked me, "What's real?" What's real? It's like little model bird, the plant or something. We fly? Like no, we cannot fly. Is it alive? No, it's not. How you killed it? No. It's real or real? It's real. You can touch it. was like, she was like, oh, but half of the thing, like, must do that thing, cut my brain into half or what? I'm like, no, but when you like sit down and outside, you can also think of other things, right? Then you tell me, oh, when you sit down outside, very smelly. You're gonna wear the mask, the face mask. And like, yesterday do you do it? He said, no, yesterday I just take tissue and cover. Then after I cover my nose already, after I finish, I use it on my backside. After wipe already, then his nose, he achoo, so he wipe his nose again. Then he go and eat, then when he was eating dinner, then like, the food spill a bit, so he take a tissue paper and wipe his mouth. No, obviously he's joking. Not like he's joking, like, he's catching up with my stickiness. So I keep like teasing him about stuff as well. Tracey 1, food 0.
Yes, I'm finally done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief snippet of how we spend our time and my boyfriend's weird jokes. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.